Welcome to
Cutting with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And mine's Andrew.
Today we're inscribing in my account KCatCode123. And in this project I remixed called EEVEELUTIONS SLASH. So it's supposed
Pokemon
to be
themed.
Yeah. So let's see. Play. Connect the evolutions.
There's also a timer. I see a timer.
A timer. I hate timers. They're always so bad. Yeah. Okay. Now let's see.
Maybe like a connect game.
Yeah. So in the tiles, it was supposed to be gems in the usual project.
So
now I changed
color gems.
Yeah. Now I changed them to evolutions.
So they're Pixel, Eevee, and evolutions.
Which is Leafeon, Umbreon, Glaceon, and Espeon and Eevee. I'll of course choose Eevee because Eevee is the main Pokemon of the evolutions.
Yeah.
In the background, I didn't add any background, but I added when green flag click forever, it will set background, which is a variable, to pick random 1 to 6. So when you click
switch background.
Yeah, so see, it always is a different background.
6 backgrounds.
So it'll if background equals 1 or 2, 5, 6. It will switch house to background, and then it will stop the script, or it will always keep changing.
Yeah.
And then in the title, it was supposed to be gem. You see, I X'd it. Oops. I X'd it, and then changed it into evolution. And then in sprite 4, which is the cover.
The thumbnail.
Yeah. My favorite background is this one, so
the grass.
And then I choose 4 of the evolutions. Sorry, Eevee, you're not here, but 4 of them. And then I put the title because it was supposed to be just 4 of the color gems, and then like this, gem slash. So and the background was supposed to be black, and the usual project, it was only this background 6, but I didn't know why. He had these the 5 other background here. I don't know, but let's play. Okay, I'll go fast first. Yeah, you need to at least get 2. The bigger connection is, then the more points you get.
So you try to get as most points you can get in a minute.
Yeah. When it's 30 seconds, I'm gonna give it to Andrew. Okay. 3 Umbreons. Yeah. 2 is the most common, but the most not point.
Yeah.
3, sometimes you can't actually do 4 like this. 3.
You can only do straight lines.
Yeah. Or like this. But it'll just give you the same point if you do this. Because, 6 more seconds.
Straight down is more faster, so you can get more points. So we have over 100 points.
Okay, it's Andrew's turn because it's 30 seconds, so it's half. Oh, Andrew's gets getting freeze. He's only getting 2. Sometimes I get lucky, and then there is a bunch of one of those evolutions, and then I connect them and it gives me a lot of points. But they waste a lot of times while you're trying to connect them.
Yeah.
There's a lot of 2s I can see, and a lot of Eevees. Oh, I see one right here. Don't you see? It's a big line.
That's so
big.
Yeah. I think that was so lucky.
2, 1, 0, 250.
Yeah.
And you can see the leaderboards, but it's the usual game. How can people even get 1,532?
Maybe they play a long time. Well, they do it very fast.
Or they train every day. And then they were very good. Well, that was fun. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.